AquaIntel is an intelligence platform for companies selling into U.S. water. Let's find a customer. Describe your ideal customer in plain English. AquaIntel aggregates signals on the entire universe of 65,000 plus U.S. water utilities. Compliance data, board decisions, capital plans, annual reports, and more. It ranks and maps opportunities specific to what you sell, often 12 to 24 months before an RFP ever hits the street. Houston tops the list at 92. Let's open Houston. Account Intelligence builds the full report. Priority, posture, validation, capital plans, procurement. Your top opportunities, scored, sourced, and mapped to what you sell. The People module scores all 2,000 contacts for influence. Who recommends? Who approves? Who holds the budget? And the voice of the utility tells you what they already believe. Replace aging assets, urgently. That's your pitch. Ask Atlas anything. It answers from the utility's own documents, cited, and it found $350 million of white space. Turn on notifications for a utility, and AquaIntel will track everything. Board meetings, lawsuits, RFPs, leadership changes, and notify you when there's a signal worthy of attention. Every signal becomes an AI-drafted action waiting for your approval. With customized outreach, personalized from the account's own intelligence. You review, approve, and send. That's AquaIntel, your go-to market intelligence platform for U.S. water. Find your next 50 customers at www.waterutility.ai.